Home maintenance is necessary when preparing for summer. There is a need for you to take care of your family's health. This can be done when adequate measures are implemented to prevent pests, humidity, and dust. Summer is warm, and you want to enjoy the sunshine. Cleaning and preparing the house for summer can be a difficult task. That is why today's video is channeled towards cleaning tips that are straightforward to practice. 1. Clean kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets need to be cleaned to avoid health challenges. The cabinets are usually open countless times in a day. This makes it easy for the handles to be contaminated. A kitchen cabinet is a place where many kitchen items are stored. Therefore, there is a need to give extra attention and care to prevent the buildup of pests, dust, and other microorganisms. How often do you clean your kitchen cabinets? No matter how busy you are, don't forget to make time for your weekly cabinet cleaning. 2. Scrub the bathroom. Hot weather usually comes with an unpleasant smell, so you must be prepared to avoid it. Take good care of your bathroom and disinfect toilet handles to prevent bacteria and infection. The bathroom usually attracts germs and dirt easily. This is why it needs to be cleaned regularly. When your bathroom is dirty, it is embarrassing, especially when visitors are around. When your friends or colleague visits your home, anything can happen, and they might want to use your bathroom briefly. How will they feel when they find it dirty? To ensure hygiene and healthy living, you must clean your bathroom regularly. Truthfully, when you don't deep clean your bathroom, it will smell, spreading to other areas in the home. This includes the living room and kitchen. 3. Dust your house regularly. Your house can get extra dusty during summer because everywhere is dry. Excessive dust in your home is a big problem that must be tackled. Your family deserves to breathe in better indoor air of the highest quality. It is easier for carpets and upholstered furniture to harbor pests and holds a high amount of dust. When dust is settled deep in your carpet fibers, it is usually difficult to clean. In this case, it is advised that you seek the service of those who are experts in carpet cleaning. The professionals help you to keep your floor clean and free from dust. It is ideal to use a damp cloth when dusting. In most homes, they are fond of using a dry cloth to move the dust from one place to another. When you use a damp cloth for your dusting, it traps the dirt, and you can always wash and reuse it. Don't forget your fan blades and other hidden areas in your home. 4. Vacuum regularly. Even when professionals deep clean your home, there are things that you need to do regularly to maintain the house. One of such tasks is vacuuming. After the professionals deep clean your carpet, you have to vacuum at least weekly. This will also help to ensure that throughout the summer, your family enjoys a better air quality. In a home where there is a pet, extra care needs to be taken. Pets are among the highest contributors to poor indoor air. Pets shed hair when they run around in our homes. If you have carpets in your home, regular vacuuming is a must. 5. Arrange your bed. It would help if you kept your bed clean. Many activities happen when we sleep, including losing some skin cells. You need to care for your bed to avoid mites from building up where you sleep. Vacuum your mattress frequently. This will prevent mites from living where you sleep. Weekends should be designed for washing bed sheets and pillowcases. You deserve to have a sound sleep in a neat bed. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 8 clever ways to clean your bathroom. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.